This channel gets 20 million views per month posting silly fact YouTube shorts. And this one gets 5 million views per month posting psychology facts. And this shorts channel has over 500 million views posting travel shorts. And in this video, I'm gonna try to build 3 channels like this in under 30 minutes. I'm going to attempt to generate 30 YouTube shorts for those 3 different niches that we just showed. And if I can't do it, I'm going to delete my YouTube channel. This might be one of my best ideas or one of my worst. Now, there's no way I could generate this many videos if I was sitting down and making every single video myself. Sure, I could hire someone to make the shorts for me, but it would likely cost around $50 per short. Times 90, I don't want to spend almost 5 grand. Enter VidAI. This is a new video generation software designed for speed. And right now, actually, we have a big discount on the software, so if you want to sign up for it, I'll leave a link below. The price will be going up soon, but even when it does, it's well worth it, especially when you compare it to spending $9,000. Now, we're not just going to generate videos on random topics. We want to be generating videos on topics that are likely to do well and get a lot of views. So what we're going to do is jump into the top channels here and sort their videos by their most popular videos. Then we're gonna go down the list, changing and tweaking the titles a little bit, sometimes combining multiple titles into a single idea. And the goal here will be to generate 3 different shorts every single minute, 1 for each of those niches. If I can do that, I can keep my channel. And if I can't, well, goodbye to the 10 years I've spent on YouTube. Now, I do not want to leave this to chance, so I'm gonna be using our other software called TubeMagic.com. Go to video research, type in something like facts, click search, sort these videos by the most viewed, uploaded in the last year. This way, I'll have a bunch of different topics that I can go back to just in case I do run out of those popular video ideas. And I'll do the same for all 3 of those channels. So without further ado, I'm gonna start this stopwatch and we're gonna start this. In 3, 2, and 1. So first things first, going to this channel, we wanna go to the most popular video right here, facts that could save your life. Go to VidAI, custom prompt, facts that could save your life. Go down here, click generate. Then we're going to open up a new tab on VidAI and we're going to do this again, just going down the list here. How deep is the North Sea really? Here we go. How deep is the sea really? There we go. Now, what I'm doing actually right now is I'm batching these. Instead of going niche to niche, I'm doing just one niche first, and then I'll do the next niche and then the next one. Here we go. This one's just going to be about random facts for the next one. So we just open this in a new tab, go here. There we go. Random facts. Scroll down, generate, boom. Let's do another one. Okay, now we already have videos that are getting done right now. I'm closing these because they're just going to be saved in the dashboard right there. I'm just going to keep on generating these right here. Okay, inventory check. We need to see how many that we have done so far. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 done so far, halfway there. This is my whole life's work on the line right now. I gotta get this right. Okay, generate, there we go, next one. How can you shower? So let's skip that one. YouTube might not like that one. What if you swallowed a snake alive? Okay, boom. And boom, short number 30 is done. Right now we're at 8 minutes. We're a little bit ahead of schedule, but these next niches are going to be a little bit more difficult. So let's get straight into doing them. Starting with this one right here, go to the most popular videos, 5 clear signs someone likes you a lot. With these ones, we are going to be choosing a custom template for these. So we're gonna be going to create new, and then we're going to go 5 signs someone likes you a lot. Go down here. I'm gonna put gameplay in the background of these. I'm just gonna put some Minecraft gameplay right there. Go on to the next one. I'm gonna switch these up a little bit so they're not all the same. 5 signs he likes you school edition. Now this video is about girls, so we're gonna put a female voice on that one. Click generate. Now to save some time, I'm recognizing a pattern. Some of these are literally the same title, but it's about he and she. So I'm just gonna do 5 reasons you can't stop thinking about her, and then him, boom, just like that. We got 2 more shorts done, and we'll put a female voice on that one. Boom, done. Next one. Okay, right now we have 25. We got 5 more to do here. One more, here we go. Boom, just like that. Next niche is done with a couple minutes to spare. We're at 17 minutes so far. And now it's time for the third niche, which is the travel niche. I'm gonna close out of all these tabs right here. Look at all these videos that we just generated that are done. And all these are in our library right here, so we can go through them, download them. Think we have a couple seconds to spare to just check on what one of these videos looks like right here. Let's take a look.
After a breakup, the first thing many boys do is reflect on their feelings.
Perfect, awesome, boom, just like that. We've got some good quality shorts that we can upload on YouTube Shorts. All right, so now it's time for our channel in the travel niche. We're gonna be modeling this long form channel right here, but we're gonna be making shorts based off of it, because I saw this worked really good with long form videos, like these types of video ideas, like for example, countries that will pay you to live there. It makes people think like, what are these countries? Now to make this a little bit harder, and we only have 9 minutes left, I'm gonna be going to some travel blogs like this one right here that talk about 10 places around the world to retire for less than 1K a month, copying this link, going to our tool Tube Magic, go to go to scripting, article to script, paste it in there, and then select shorts from the templates, click generate. And just like that, we have a short script, and we can just copy the script by clicking that, go back over to VidAI, click create new, and then from here, go down and select custom script, paste in the script, and then click generate. And then let's get some more ideas from this channel right here as well. Top 10 cheapest countries to live lavishly on 1K a month. I actually wanna know what countries those are. There we go, generate, boom. Let's do another one. Cities everybody is leaving in America in 2023. Let's make an updated version of that. Do 2024, there we go. And like I said, if we want higher quality scripts, we can always jump into Tube Magic, go to video scripts. Let's find a good idea right here, like why nobody lives in these 10 empty big cities. Go over here, paste it in. And instead of 10, we're just gonna do 3 since this is a short. Click generate. And then we'll go ahead and paste this on over to another idea. And now let's come up with some unique ideas as well, like this one. Instead of doing top 10 coldest states to live in America, let's do top 10 coldest countries. We'll do top 3 coldest countries to live in the world. So that way we're innovating a little bit, coming up with some new ideas. We can also try to combine different video ideas as well. Like for example, this topic about the best English speaking countries to retire did good. So what we're gonna do is mix that topic with this one right here on countries to retire for 1K a month. So we'll go here, click create new, and we'll do best English speaking countries to retire on 1K per month. And we are cutting it really close. We're at 27 minutes, literally only 3 minutes to go. Okay, next one, countries you can buy luxury homes for 100K. Okay, here we go. Okay, inventory check real quick. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We got 5 more to go here. And literally only 1 minute to go. At this point, we're just copy pasting. 15 seconds. This is... How did it end up being exactly? Okay, how the Olympics were in these states. Okay, 9 seconds ago, boom, done. Just like that. We have 90 shorts generated. Well, this one's still generating right now, but we got 90 generated, and there's no way in heck that I'd be able to do that if I did not have VidAI. Now, like I promised, I'm gonna show you how you can make way more money doing this. Now, as you might know, if you watched the first video in this video series, YouTube pays out anywhere from 10 to 30 cents per 1,000 views on YouTube Shorts once you get them monetized, which obviously isn't a ton. Now, it is a lot easier to get tons of views with YouTube Shorts as compared to long form videos, which is like what got me most of my play buttons. And it's a lot easier to get a ton of subscribers, so it'll be even easier for you to get your own play buttons, like the silver one that YouTube gives you when you hit 100K and the gold they give you when you hit 1 million. Now, big disclaimer, if you're actually gonna do this, don't just copy paste titles like I was doing. Innovate on them, combine multiple titles into making your own unique spins on stuff whenever possible. It'll set your channel apart, so just make sure some of your ideas are doing that. But here's a secret for making money even before you're monetized with YouTube Shorts. And that's to go to this website, digistore24.com, go to their affiliate marketplace. And if we're doing that channel about psychology, we can go in here, find a product related to relationships, for example, and then put the link to that digital product in the pinned comment section of every single one of your videos. This way, you can potentially make money from day one with a YouTube Shorts channel. Now, the conversion between someone viewing a YouTube Shorts and actually buying something from an affiliate link is going to be a lot lower as opposed to long form videos, because you can build up a lot more trust with them. So I do always recommend that if you're going to be doing YouTube Shorts, to have a long form strategy as well, like what I talk about in my course and community, Tube Mastery and Monetization, which is only focused on long form content. And that's how I make the majority of my money, through long form videos. Now, VidAI is going to be able to do long form videos very soon. Right now, it's just doing shorts. We got tons of templates coming in. The price is going to be going up very soon, but for the first 200 users, you can get VidAI for a huge discount and keep that discount for life. So if you want to try this out and potentially start your very own YouTube Shorts business, now is the time to do it. And even if you're going to be doing long form in the future, now is the time to jump on, secure the discount. You'll save a ton and you'll have the potential of starting a business online on YouTube. And we're going to have a full in-depth editor in there as well. Everything's going to be customizable, but now is the time to jump on if you're thinking about doing this. Simply click the link down below to get started with VidAI with a huge discount before the spots fill up. If the spots have already filled up, don't worry, VidAI is still worth it, even if the price is increased when we do open it up again. And one more idea to make a ton of more money from your YouTube Shorts channel would be to create a channel about how to grow on YouTube with YouTube Shorts, and then promote a software like VidAI, for example, when we have our affiliate program, and then get recurring commissions for life from that. Now, it doesn't just have to be VidAI. There's tons of different AI software out there that you can go out there and promote. I have students that are making full-time incomes, literally just producing videos about how to use different AI software and then being an affiliate for those software. That way you can help people who are coming on YouTube and then directly benefit from that as well. I hope you've learned something throughout this entire 4-video series, and I hope to see you within VidAI if this is something you want to do. My name is Matt Parr. Make sure to subscribe to the Make Money Matt channel for more videos about how to make money online and with YouTube.